Okay, this is assignment 2 for CS50's Introduction to Game Design. Notice the breaks that are generated with locks. You need to hit any of these breaks 3 times for a key to be generated in order to unlock it and be able to break it. First, let's see how the paddle decreases in size because I lost a heart and will not get smaller than this. So it doesn't get smaller than this. This is a PowerUp for extra balls. It's going to give you 2 extra balls. It can be on a timer, as it happened in this case, or by a given score. So if you reach a certain score that's defined by the type of PowerUp and the level that you're in, to make it more difficult, the PowerUp will spawn. If I grab it now, I have 2 balls here. The same with these other PowerUp. This is for the paddle growth. So you have both paddle growth and paddle decrease. In this case, it goes as growth. If I grab it, it's going to increase the size of my paddle 1 up. This one is the paddle down. So as I grab it, it's going to decrease the size. Notice that you get a new extra balls for the effect of this demonstration. The timers have been set super low to be able to show it multiple times. Notice that the ball was not moving. It has to wait until I hit on enter to release each of the balls. I can accumulate multiple balls. Notice that the balls have hit the different block breaks at least 3 times. A key is generated. You're gonna see I have to grab this key, and this ball will not be affected until I grab this key. So notice how the block was not affected when it was hit by this ball, because I haven't grabbed the key yet. Now that I have the key, you're going to be able to hit any of these blocks and it's going to break. And then it restarts. You have to hit the breaks 3 times again to get a new key. Notice that now that I had it locked, this ball was able to break it and it starts playing as normal. I hit it 3 times again, get another key. Now, if I were to lose, you're gonna see how my paddle is gonna decrease in size. That is a penalty for losing a life. Again, I lost a life, so my paddle decreases 1 more time. Notice that the PowerUps are being generated on a timer right now. It's just for the effects of the demonstration.